Hi, this is Alec with Magnum Bikes. Today I'm going to give you an overview of the Pathfinder display. Let's start by turning it on. In order to turn it on, we're going to hold the small little button at the top of this display until you see it light up. Then we can let go. Once it's on, you can see a couple of key features. One at the top here is your battery indicator. There's 5 levels on that, which means each little level is about 20% of battery life. The next is our speed, big in the center here. You can see we're in miles per hour and no speed showing. As you move the bike, that will increase. This is your pedal assist level right here in the bottom left corner. You can control that with the up and down arrow at the bottom of your display. Up will take that up, and the more pedal assist, the higher the number. We can take that down with the bottom arrow. 0 means pedal assist is off. This right here is your odometer. This will show you how many miles over the lifetime of the bike you've traveled. You can also see your trip details by hitting the power button once. In order to enter the settings menu, we're going to hold the power and up button at the same time. As you can see, our screen changed showing the settings menu. Here we can change our units, which are metric or imperial. We're in the US, so we're going to set this one at miles per hour. You can also come down to page down and hit the power button one time to see some more settings. This we can also change and reset our trip. In order to get back to the main display, we'll cycle down to return and hit power button one time. For any more questions about your Pathfinder display, do contact our customer service. Be sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date on all of our latest content. Thanks for watching.